Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for applications on your Steam Deck. So if you're in the desktop version right here, you want to go to Discover. So you can see I have all these different icons. Discover is going to be right here. Tap this. And this is your application browser essentially. You can go through all the different categories, games, whatnot. But most of the time, I'm just searching for one specific application. But you can scroll through here. And some of these are pretty cool. So you can look through here. You got installed on the bottom, home. So one of them you should probably get is the Heroic game launcher. Just go up here, then press X. Keyboard will open up, Heroic. Just type this in, press enter. Install this onto your Steam Deck. And open this up and launch it. This is the Epic Game Launcher, and this is the GOG Store and Prime Gaming. So you can sign in down here. Epic Store. Did it sign me out? So, I'm in Prime Gaming, that's why. So I can go to this. And then you can see the storefront. So this is kind of hard to just click on one. And the cool thing about this is the GOG Store and the Epic Game Store, they usually have like a couple free games under here. So you just have to sign in and then claim them. So I got Callisto Protocol and Gigantic for free, and then I'm waiting for this one to come out. Fallout Collection comes out in like 4 or 5 days for me. And then we have Wildcard Football. So you definitely want to get this one. It's worth it. Then go to your library. Once you have the game installed, just install it down here. You can go to the 3 little dots on the game page, and you can add it to your Steam library. Then you can just go to the library and go to non-Steam games, and you should be able to find it on the game mode. So real easy peasy. And then if you go down here, hold this down, you can go to Pin to Task Manager, and you can keep it on the bottom here all the time. I don't know why I have Chrome down here. Like, never use Chrome. I prefer Brave, but you can go to all the different tools on here. There are some games on just Linux. If you haven't gone through here, looks like this is freezing up now. But you can check out some of the games on here, try them out, and try out all the different applications. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.